Good afternoon, friends. Respected Presidium, our All India President, Shamal Chakravarti ji, and our beloved Secretary General, S.B. Srinivasachari ji, and our all Vice Presidents, Headquarter, M.S. Murthy garu, Satendra Singh Kala, Rahul Dhanadi ji, and Ratan Kumar Chanda, our past President Singarap Srinivas garu, and all the zonal presidents, secretaries, treasurers, and all divisions, PSTs, and my dear all branch leaders, and all my dear agent friends, especially my lady agents. I am very much honored to present my treasury report in first of August gathering of All India with a huge response for this Hyderabad general body. So whatever the statements, ITRs has been filed in our tenure was last 2 years, and 2023 and 22 and 23 was being presented by our earlier committee, which was being audited. And I just wanted to tell you the truth and how our financial position of the branch or the division or the zone or the All India is going to improve with our primary membership. Hope all the people who have come here have paid their 365 rupees. I just wanted to tell you that our Hyderabad division, as our Chariji was saying, we have our own building, and there are so many buildings in our division, in other divisions of South Central Zone. This was because of our financial positions. One among that is 365 rupees. After paying every agent who has contributed 365 rupees for our division, they are not only giving service to that agent, but also they are giving 25,000 rupees accidental benefit or natural benefit to every agent who has contributed 365 rupees. That is how it's an added benefit to the Hyderabad division people. Recently, after seeing this, even Secunderabad people also started this kind of accidental and natural death benefit of 25,000 rupees. I appreciate Secunderabad people also. They must weigh a path to the other division people to conduct such kind of add-on benefits to our primary memberships. I just wanted to tell you how this 365 rupees develops our branch revenue and also division and zone and All India. This is how it will be. So whatever we have collect from each agent from the branch now, it's around 365 rupees per year. So out of which 50% of the amount will be retained with the branch people. Balance 50 only will be transferred to the division people. In division, they'll keep only 25%. Rest of 25% will be given to zonal. Out of this 25,000, zonal people retain their 15%. The balance 10% only, that is around 36 rupees 50 NP. For each member, it will be contributed to All India. This is how I have given an example of 365 rupees. Agar 50% is the amount, it's for branch around 187 into 200. Suppose if any branch collects 200 members agents, they will get an amount of revenue around 37,500. In the same way, division people have a revenue of around 18,250 and zone 10,950. All India around 7,300. This is how our structure of 4-level structure will be benefited with our financially. Suppose as everybody was thinking, suppose if we are financially sound, then only we can do anything. As our South Central Zone and our division has done implementation of benevolent fund, implementation of this death benefit, and constructing our own buildings and all, these are all because of this same. So I request all the division people to adopt this and make your branches and division financially sound, so that now in future they will not have any kind of financial crisis. The another component of this revenue is branch affiliations. As we are going through, we have given our report also. Even Chariji was told, in all India, South Central Zone stood number one in contributing branch affiliations of around 545. And next comes Eastern Zone. It's around 323 branches have been affiliated. Next is Western Zone, around 126. Fourth is East Central Zone. Next West, 126. The other is North Central Zone, 166. North Zone, 157. South Central and Southern Zone is around single digit only. Totally, in this 3 years, we have collected around 1,500 branch affiliations. I request all the people to affiliate their branch and get the benefit of coming to this primary membership. In the whole country, our Hyderabad division stood by contributing around 8,000 primary membership to all India to their division. My wholehearted appreciations to Hyderabad division.
Hello, Taylor. Mal wale.
Then comes to Kadapa. In last 3 years, Kadapa people have contributed 3,500 members, primary memberships. My appreciations to all the Kadapa people.
6726.
Next comes Karimnagar. Karimnagar seems to be very punctual and organized manner of division, where they have constructed a Liafi Bhavan and generating a revenue of around 50,000 rupees per month, I believe. They have contributed around 3,288. Next comes Bangalore, 3,000. Mysore, 1830. Nagpur, they have contributed 1,747. And Secunderabad, 1,700. And they are left over with one more. We have to add that. Zorat people around 2001. Bhubaneswar, Bangalore stood on 500 contribution. These are the two components. And coming to, as I told you, 2002, 22 and 23, where our earlier body has, whatever the expenses they have incurred, they have filed this ITRs and their audit report. And the next, here, this is the balance sheet of 2022 and 23, where all the previous year components balance was around 10 lakhs 30. 1 crore 3 lakhs 94,000 is the amount which was previously around 2021 and 22 has come. It's not clear, but all the prints were being printed in your magazine, ELU magazine, which was given in your kit. You can go through that. And coming to fixed assets and all now, we can concentrate on directly, we can come to fixed deposit with PNB Bank, which was being given by our earlier committee, around 23 lakhs 50,000 rupees. After that, for 17th general body meeting, there was some advance for around 5,77,750 rupees. This you can go through in your magazine. If there are any doubts, you can definitely ask our earlier committee. Then coming to, this is the expenditure and income part, where all the expenditure and income was being displayed over here, and it was printed in our magazine of ELU. This is also incurred by our earlier committee. Coming to our tenure, where 2023 and 24 financial year accounts were being presented and being audited by our CA, who was honored earlier. And you can go through this. Earlier, whatever the expenses were there for this magazine, ELU magazine, was around 55,000. Now we have introduced around 2 magazines for which 55,000. And let me complete this income part. That will be very attractive. That is how I'll start with. Affiliations, we have received around 5,48,403. In the previous year, it was around 2,34,000. And coming to pattern memberships, its pattern membership is of 600 rupees. Earlier, it was around 3,10,000 rupees. Last year, 2023-24, 4,74,535 rupees. Coming to donations and all, earlier committee has collected donations around 36,600. Last year we have collected around 1,29,000 rupees, in which our Gangireddy of Kadapa division who has contributed around 1 lakh rupees. The others around 25,000. In Delhi, delegation fee was around 29 lakhs. 82,000 was collected in the last general body, and around Ilu magazine advertisements we got 80,000, and interest of the bank was around 11,000 rupees. Coming to expenses, it was around 55,000 for Ilu magazine printing, and there are no expenses incurred for refreshments. Printing and stationery is around 38,180 rupees. Repairs and maintenance around 5,705. Salaries were around 2,52,200 rupees. Total expenses were around 46 lakhs 48,000. This income over expenditure were around 2,42,000. The total was matched. And coming to our fixed assets, there are some chairs and computer which was under earlier team. And recently, and the last 2024, we bought around one new computer for our central secretariat of around 89,000. Everything was retained in the same way. So these are our assets. As I told you, there are some chairs and computer, and we have added one more computer over here. And balance, coming to our Ilu website, we have redesigned it, and after that, we have whatever the balance we have in our accounts, those are all displayed here. This is the audited report which we took from a professional auditor, Niharika. And this is for 2025. This is for 2025, 24-25 financial year, in which all the income and expenditure was being displayed, and it was printed in the Ilu magazine also. Coming to our income part was around affiliations, we got around 1,03,000 rupees, and primary membership around 3,56,000, pattern memberships of 600 rupees every per member. Maximum we have received from Southern Zone is around 3,000, and donation we have collected around 1,24,000, in which our Kautika Vittal Garu has contributed 1 lakh rupee in that. And coming to the Delhi General Body receipts and all, we have received those that we have not incurred anything. Fixed interest on fixed deposit around 2,52,000. And national EC meeting when we have conducted in Bhubaneswar, the income was around 6,65,000. And on the left side of it, you can see the Bhubaneswar EC meeting expenses were around 5,43,000. So in the same way, coming to our expenditure, we have printed 2 magazines, each of 55,000, 1,10,000. The other printing expenses, then afterwards, whatever we have received from division zone, and salaries to the president staff, we have given around 1,15,000, and secretary general staff around 1,89,000, and the electricity and all 36,000. And the legal charges for which around 15,000 rupees was given to the Nagpur legal case which is going on. And coming to meeting expense and all 55,000. Overall was around 21,95,896 rupees was the income part, and expenditure was been tallied, and only excess expenditure or income was around 3,03,000 rupees. Everything was audited, and I would ask these 2 last years, ITRs and the accounts were being finalized and approved in our Bhubaneswar EC meeting and even Lucknow meeting also. I present all these 2 years, even 3 years of IT returns and accounts in front of our August gathering for these things. And thank you one and all, giving me opportunity in serve you better. Thank you.